Good morning, friends. This is one exercise for modals. We all know that modals are verbs, and we are doing exercise for that. A lot of exercise we have completed, and today also I am here with you with one new exercise. I think that this exercise will help you a lot in the preparation of your examination, either for academic classes or for any competitive exams. किसी भी कम्पिटिटिव एग्ज़ाम्स के लिए या किसी भी एकेडमिक क्लास के लिए ये मॉडल्स वर्ब्स पर काम बहुत ही हेल्पफुल होता है. सो आई एम डूइंग दिस फॉर यू. सो माय डियर फ्रेंड्स, बी विथ मी एंड वी विल कंप्लीट दैट. Fill in the blanks with suitable verbs from brackets. In brackets, we will see here there are some verbs given. Okay, so we will do it. You learn to remain calm. You can learn. Yeah, you can learn to remain calm. आप शांत रहने का तरीका सीख सकते हैं. We never know the truth. We can never know the truth. Yes, can. We can. हम लोग कभी सच्चाई नहीं जान सकते हैं. You really be scared. You really need not be scared. Need not. Fourth, she can understand their feelings. Can. These birds should not be in a cage. Should not. A picnic must be any fun without you. Would not. Would not. Would not. A picnic would not be any fun without you. आपके बिना पिकनिक में कोई मज़ा नहीं आएगा. आप नहीं तो कुछ नहीं. Someone ought to turn that tap off. ये ought to है तो ought to turn that tap off. I get angry. I shall. Okay. I shall get angry in a moment. Perhaps this time it won't rain. Won't. इसमें won't मतलब will not. ये इस समय मेघ नहीं बरसेगा. Any bank will do it. Any bank will do it. किसी बैंक में आपका काम हो जाएगा. Anybody can become a qualified teacher. कोई भी पढ़ाई करेगा, मेहनत करेगा. Anybody can become a qualified teacher. कोई भी qualified teacher हो सकता है. What is needing? What is needed? The needed factor is that you should be a learned man. You should be learning person. आपकी पढ़ाई में इंटरेस्ट होने चाहिए, आपको जानना चाहिए. Then you will be a qualified teacher. These tablets may cause sleepiness. ये टैबलेट खाने से स्लीपीनेस, नींद आ सकती है. As a matter of fact, it could arrive tomorrow. It, as a matter of fact, it must arrive tomorrow. ये as a matter of fact, it could arrive tomorrow. And then your family and children may always come first. You need a minimum deposit of 1000 rupees. Somebody used to do something about it. You ought to do, used to do, ought to do something about it. I used to live. Yes, मैं used, मैं रहा करता था इस स्ट्रीट में. I used to live in this street. Shall I speak to Mr. Pathak or will, ये will you? We can plant a few trees in this garden. There is no doubt that you need glasses. Inflation is rising and will continue to rise. I felt confident that everything will. I felt confident that everything would be all right. Would be. That is the kind of job I should be doing. यही काम है जो मुझे करना चाहिए. Then next, if you do that, I shall be very pleased. It was difficult to find a house that we could afford. It need not be forgotten that we all do mistake. Need must not be forgotten. इसमें need नहीं करके इसमें must कीजिए. must, ये need नहीं, ये must ज़्यादा सही है. It must not be forgotten that we do all make mistakes. May a doctor tell a patient नहीं, should a doctor tell a patient he is going to die? क्या मरने वाले को बोलना चाहिए कि वो मर जाएगा? Some men would do more for a dog than they should for a wife. कुछ लोग अपनी वाइफ से ज़्यादा कुत्ते को प्यार करते हैं. So my dear friends, please subscribe, share and like. Thank you for viewing. Have a nice day.